Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today is going to be a quick little review of the $10 eyeshadow palettes from shopmissa.com. Basically, shopmissa has like dollar makeup and dollar accessories and stuff like that. And then they have this other line called A2O, I believe, and they basically have like magnetic palettes. And for $10, you can get a magnetic palette and 9 eyeshadows. So that's what I did. They have like predetermined shadows and everything like that. Basically, I was putting in an order for these ponytails because my mom and I are like obsessed with these. They are the seamless black stretchy ponytails and they are amazing. So I ordered a like shit ton of those. Same with their beauty blenders. I ordered 10 of those last time. And basically this time I ordered some of their eyeshadow palettes, the $10 ones. So I got the Foxy palette and I got the I'm a Beach palette. And then I got 2 of these lip oils. These are $1. These are lip oils. So I have peach and I have honey. They had like a couple different flavors, I believe. So this is the AOA Studio Oh Honey Nourishing Lip Oil. This is honey and this is peach. So basically on my eyes today, I used the Foxy palette. It comes with a mirror and it comes with a magnetic palette. And then all the shadows are like individually packaged in these little boxes. So you pop them all out and I put them in the palette the same way that they were laid out on the website. And on the back of the pans, they all have names stamped on them. So basically to create this eye look, I set my eye with a nude matte shadow. And then in the crease, I took this like coral color. This is the shade Adorbs. And I just buffed that all into my crease. Then with this orangey shade in the corner, this is called Terracotta. I put that into the outer corner and blended up into the crease to make it more orange. And then I took this brown shade in the bottom called Rich, and I put that onto the outer corner of the eye and blended it in. Then I cut my crease with Tarte Shape Tape. Then I took this gold shade down here in the corner called Crown, and I just used my finger and I put that all over my cut crease. And then last but not least, I took this white shade here called Starlit, and I put that on my inner corner. And you can see from the video that these are pretty pigmented. There was a little bit of fallout, but that didn't really bother me. And I definitely had to build up the color a bit more than I usually do, but I would say that these are pretty comparable to ColourPop's shadows. I believe they sell the shadows individually, but I will double check and correct myself if I'm wrong. So the second one I bought is the I'm a Beach palette. This is the one that I was super excited for, and I was so bummed when I got it in the mail, because here is a picture of the I'm a Beach palette that is on their website, and here is the colors that I received. So like I was looking at the back of all the palette or pans, and I didn't receive a single color from the I'm a Beach palette. So I was like, oh, well, maybe they just kind of like randomly give you shadows. But then when I looked at the Foxy one, all the shadows matched what was listed on the Foxy eyeshadow palette. So I emailed shopmissa about this because, I mean, these are gorgeous shadows. Like, I'm not mad at it, but I really wanted like the bright turquoises and mint kind of greens that are in that palette. It was a very beachy palette, and this is not beachy. You have like a bunch of like warm toned reddish browns, and then you have like a moss green and like a shimmery teal, which is not beachy to me at all. But I'll let you know if they get back to me of what they're going to do or anything like that, if they email me back before I post this video. So I will insert swatches of those palettes for you guys. I'm going to take off the lipstick that I'm wearing and try out the lip oils. Alright guys, so here is the entire Foxy palette. This is what it looks like. Alright, so this is the shades that they sent me. Instead of the I'm a Beach palette, I had to do like 2 or 3 swatches of this like moss green to try and get it to work. Alright, so first I'm going to go in with the Oh Honey lip oil. This is with peach. It doesn't really smell like anything. Now, I don't actually know like the point of these, if it's supposed to be like a gloss or if it's just to like moisturize your lips. It doesn't really taste like anything. It's not sticky. It's just like a kind of like sheen. You would not be able to put this over a matte lipstick because the oil, I assume, would break it up, because matte lipsticks break up, or most lipsticks kind of break up under oil. So now I'm going to take the shade Honey and just put it on too, just so I can try them both out. Ooh, this one actually does smell like honey. That's pretty much it. By the way, I've had this eye look on for like, it's like 3:30 I think, so like 4 or 5 hours now. And the colors are holding up really well. I'm really impressed, and like they haven't creased or anything. So I would definitely say that so far these are comparable to ColourPop shadows. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this quick little video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you've tried out any of the Shop Miss A $10 palettes before, and give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all the next one. Bye guys.